What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. It is great to have you back here. Exciting times. We are looking at some new cases for the 10.2-inch iPad 8th generation. This iPad came out about a month ago. Now, there are already cases on the market here. Now, these cases are from Supcase. These are the Unicorn Beetle Pro or UB Pros. And I have them in like this metallic red and metallic purple. The red, I really like the red color a lot. Now, what I like about these iPads, it does give you kind of a full coverage protection for your brand new 10.2-inch iPad. It does come with a built-in screen protector. It has a kickstand on the device. Now, the front and back are going to be polycarbonate, and the side is all going to be like a very dense DPU rubber. Additionally, what you are getting with this case is that you are going to get drop protection that is based on the military spec. It's 810G 516.6. Basically, what that does is it outlines what are the conditions that manufacturers, including Supcase, have to abide by or conform to in order to go ahead and claim this type of drop protection for devices. Now, in all seriousness, guys, if you like product review videos, just like the one that you're watching now, if you like unboxings, new iPhones coming, new iPad Air coming this week, we have the new Mac coming later on this month, make sure you click subscribe, hit that notification button because there is a ton of content coming over the next few months, and I want to make sure that you watch it as soon as it's released. Now, back into the case, the entire front and back of the case is going to be a polycarbonate shell, again, with that thick TPU rubber wrapping the sides of it. And it's going to have a built-in screen protector, which is going to give you the cutout there for your fingerprint when you got to go ahead and lock it. Now, one thing to note is that the case doesn't allow to go ahead and be used when you're using the Smart Keyboard Folio from Apple, which makes sense, right? This is a full protection keyboard case, and it's really meant to protect your iPad when you are out and about doing things that require this type of protection. Now, I don't know about you, but I am a fan of that red case. Now, you're probably asking yourself, who is this even for? Now, I mean, I say really it's for anyone who appreciates or who needs significant drop protection in their life for their iPad 10.2-inch. Now, for me personally, I would say that this is not for me because on my 10.2-inch iPad, that device doesn't really leave the house. But if I were to take it out with me, maybe go to my kid's soccer game or something like that, if I was going hiking and I wanted to take that iPad with me specifically, this is the type of case that I would use because it offers that 360-degree drop protection. It still has all access to the ports, all the cutouts. The ports are sealed. I mean, it does give you a lot of benefit there in terms of value and functionality for what is arguably not necessarily that expensive of a price at $30. It is coming in what I think are attractive colors, and you let me know in the comments below if these are attractive colors or not. But I think it does give that balance of protection and functionality while also go ahead and considering utility. Now let's go ahead and put in my 10.2-inch iPad 8th generation. This iPad, I absolutely love it. If you're thinking about buying it, a lot of value in this iPad. Now what we're going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to go ahead and pry this open using my finger. You could use a coin, something obviously that's not sharp. And I'm just going to run my finger along the edges. Now, once I got it off, I'll make sure I don't touch the screen because I don't want to get fingerprints on the inside and have to clean it up later on. Now, we're going to place the iPad inside of the top portion of the case. Now, I'm going to put, this is the rose gold 128 gig iPad that just came out. All right, so what we're going to go ahead and do here to go ahead and get this out, we're going to go ahead and peel here at the corner. Doesn't matter what corner that you start in. All right, so we have it on two sides, three sides. This one does not, there we go. All right, it's snugly in there. I got no fingerprints on the screen. Awesome job, Mike. And then we're gonna start here in the corner and wrap that plastic all the way around. And we see here, we are complete. Now again, this does have all the buttons here. You got the cutout for the camera, obviously. You have these, I would say, not shock absorbers, but something to lay it flat on and not worry about scratching the back of this. And I love how deep and vibrant that red is. You got the screen protector here, and you have the kickstand. This is actually kind of nice, and that feels strong, which is good. Again, I'm pretty impressed with this case for being $30 for the 10.2-inch iPad. Not necessarily, I would say, not expensive at all. And in terms of functionality, you're getting, I think, good value for what you're spending. Plus, you're getting all those cool colors, which I'm a fan of. But I've said that enough times. Now, I'll put links down in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up. Again, this is not a sponsored video by Supcase, so it doesn't matter if you want to go ahead and pick up you go ahead and use the links, or you can just go to the website. It doesn't necessarily matter. Guys, I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV, and I hope to see you in the next video because we're going to be unboxing an iPad Air 4. I'll catch you in the next one.